Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to promote affiliate links on Facebook group. So if you have your own Facebook group, then yes, I will tell you that how to promote your affiliate links in your Facebook groups in a right way. Or if you want to promote your affiliate links in other people's Facebook group, then yes, that will also I will tell you in that video, guys, that what's the right way to promote your affiliate links in other people's group, guys, right? But guys, before telling you this, I just want to say that, guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. So go and read my ebook. Down below there is a link, right? So guys, now here, without any delay, let me show you how to promote your affiliate links on Facebook groups, guys, right? So guys, now here I'm assuming that you know what product that you are going to promote. So as in my case, it's a traffic secrets book that I'm going to promote. Here, guys, I'm giving you an example, guys, right? Product can be anything, guys, that you want to promote. So for that, guys, you can see this is my affiliate link, guys, right? But guys, here one thing, guys, that I would say, guys, don't promote your ugly looking and long looking affiliate link, guys. Guys, you tell me, if I give you this link, will you click on that? Chances that you will not, right? So instead using this ugly looking and long looking affiliate link, use custom domain, guys, right? So as in my case, I'm using a domain that is digital affiliate business, right? And you can see that, guys. So let me show you, guys, right? Actually, it's a, you can see I'm using click magic, guys, and I have, you can see, redirected my domain, that is digitalaffiliatebusiness.com, to click magic by creating CNAME record, right? By pointing it to click magic. So that way I can track every clicks, guys, every sale, every leads, right? And from where I'm getting you can say clicks, what country I'm getting traffic, guys, right? So I'm using click magic just to record and just to track everything, guys, right? So in my case, guys, I'm using this domain, that is www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com, guys, right? So guys, here, rather using this you can say ugly looking affiliate link, I'm using this link, guys, right? This one is my final link, guys, right? So that I have created using click magic, guys, right? So if someone click on that link, then that very person will go to my affiliate link that I'm promoting. This is the book, you can see. Yeah, you can see that, guys, right? So I will not promote this link, guys. I will promote this link, guys, right? By the way, if you don't know, you can say how to create your tracking link using click magic, then down below I have put the link. You can put the link of the training. You can go and watch that training, right? By the way, it's very simple, guys. Simply, guys, let me show you, guys. So create a new link and give it a name, like as in our case, it's I'm just giving it a random name, new traffic secrets link. And now here I'm using domain and give it a name, book traffic book free. And now here I need to put my affiliate link, guys. Copy and then paste and create, guys, right? So you can see it, guys, right? So if I click on that, you can see. So this is my final link, guys, that I need to promote, guys, right? So if anybody clicks, let me show you, guys, some of the example. Like this was my link, guys, right? So you can see it shows me IP address, country, browser, and their device, right? And I can track from where I'm getting clicks, guys, and based on that I can scale my campaign, guys. So by the way, guys, if you want to check out this click magic, then yes, down below I have put the link. You can go and check out, right? Guys, understand this, guys. If you are serious, guys, then I would say track everything, guys. from where you are getting clicks, how many clicks you are getting, how many sales you are getting, so that based on data you can scale your campaign, guys, right? So yes guys, in our case, this is our final link, guys. This is final affiliate link, guys, that we are going to promote, guys. So guys, what's our next step? Simple, guys. Let me show you first my group, guys, right? So as you can see, my group is, this is digital affiliate business group, guys. By the way, if you haven't joined my group, down below there is a link, you can go and join, right? So okay, now here you can put your link, affiliate link, as you can see that, guys. One funnel level challenge, this is one of the training that I'm promoting. So you can put your affiliate link in your post, guys, right? Then there is another click funnels, right? Free.com secrets book, right? You can see that, guys, in the post, and then you can pin that post, guys, right? You can see, yeah, unpin from top, right? So this is first way, guys, right? You can promote your affiliate links, you can say, using your first post, and in that post you can put your affiliate link, guys, right? And then you can pin that post, guys. So that way, guys, whosoever joins your group, guys, or when you approve that very person to your group, then that very person will be able to see your first post, and in that first post you can promote your affiliate offer that you are promoting. So this is first way, guys, right? So here I can put my this traffic secrets, you can see that, guys, right? Traffic secrets. So if someone click, then that very person will go to my affiliate offer that I'm promoting, guys. You can see that, guys, yeah, right? By the way, guys, if you haven't read this book, I would highly recommend you guys go and read this book at least for once, guys. Guys, in this book you will learn how to get traffic, guys, and you know that, guys, most people fail in their online business or affiliate marketing business because they don't know how to get traffic. So this book teaches you everything, that how to get traffic step by step, right? So yep, if you are serious, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and read this book at least for once, guys, right? So okay, now this is first way, guys. Second way, guys, you can put your affiliate link in the first comment section, guys. This is the right practice, guys, right? Like you can see that, guys, I have put my link, affiliate link, it's a 5-day lead challenge link in the first comment section, guys, right? So this is the second, you can say, thing that you can do when you are promoting your affiliate offer or your affiliate, you can say, affiliate link in your group, guys. Here I'm talking about how to promote your affiliate links in your group, guys, right? First way. So you can see that, guys, right? In the first comment section, you can say something like link is in first comment, guys, right? Whatever product that you are promoting, right? You can talk about this very product, and then you can say, hey, link is in my first comment, right? Or if you want, guys, you can also put your link in the post too, guys. But I would recommend, guys, if possible, put your link in the, you can say, first comment section, guys, right? This is the right way. So now you know how to promote your affiliate links in your group, guys. Now how to promote your affiliate links in other people's group, guys. So guys, here, guys, as you can see that, guys, I'm the, you can say, member of this ClickFunnels official group, guys. So guys, here one thing that I would say that, guys, I see that most people, those who are new, guys, especially those who are new, what mistake they do, guys, when they join any group in their niche, right, they start, you can say, spamming that group with their affiliate links, guys. Like they put their you can say affiliate link in other members post or comment section, right? Or whenever they post, they put their affiliate link. Come on, guys, don't do that. This is not the right way, guys, to promote your affiliate link in other people's group, guys, in your niche, guys. This is not the right way, guys. The right way is that, guys, first, guys, there are groups, guys, they allow you to put your affiliate link whenever you post you can say any valuable content, guys, right? There are groups, they allow you, right? So you need to find out what are those groups that allow you to put your affiliate links in your post, guys. So guys, here overall idea is that you need to check their rules, guys. If they are allowing you to put your link, then yes, you can post your affiliate links. If they are not, then guys, don't do that, guys, right? Don't put your affiliate links without the permission of group owner, guys, right? Yes, in some cases, guys, I see that when you provide more valuable content in other people's group, right, by providing more valuable content that is helpful to the members, then yes, in some cases group owner, you can say they allow you, yes, you can promote your affiliate link, guys, right? So yes, in that case you can put your affiliate link in other people's group where you are associated with, guys, right? First thing. Second thing, guys, like ClickFunnels, and there is another group that is ClickFunnels Avengers group, right? On Friday, guys, yes, on Friday they allow you to promote your stuff, guys, right? So on that post, guys, it is specially dedicated you can say for the person who wants to promote his or her stuff, guys, right? So in that post, guys, you can put your link, guys, because in that post they are allowing you to promote yourself, to promote your stuff, guys, right? So yes, when you are going to join any groups, guys, in your niche, then yes, check their rules, read their rules, and yes, also you can say look your eyes that there will be any specific day, like it can be like Friday or Monday or Wednesday, right? You need to check it out, guys, right? So on that very day they allow you to promote your affiliate link, guys, right? So yep, this is the right way, guys. So when you see that yes, they are allowing you to promote your affiliate link, then yes, on that specific dedicated post you can put your affiliate link in the comment section, guys, talking about the affiliate offer that you are promoting, guys, right? So these are the ways, guys, that you can go and start promoting your affiliate links in your groups as well as in other people's group, guys. So again, guys, don't spam other people's group, guys, unless and until you are allowed to do that, guys. It's pure spamming, guys. Don't do that, guys, right? And yes, look for their specific post where they are allowing you to promote your affiliate stuff or your, you can say, product with your link, guys, right? They allow you to put your link, guys, right? So that you can do, guys. So overall idea is that when you have permission, then go and promote your affiliate link. When you don't do that, guys. Don't do that, right? But yes, in your group you can promote your affiliate link anytime, whenever you want, guys. This is the beauty of building your own Facebook group, guys, right? In your group you can promote your affiliate link anytime, whenever you want. You don't need to seek any permission from anybody, guys, because you are the owner, right? So yep, so guys, this is, you can say, these are the ways, guys, that you can go and adopt to promote your affiliate links, guys, for your affiliate marketing business or any other business, guys, that you are doing online, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, guys, right? And yes, guys, if you have any questions, then you can ask your question down below, right? And yeah, I will try my level best to answer to you, guys, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, there is a you can say bell notification button down below. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button, guys, right, guys? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.